Hey there, DIY enthusiasts. Got problems with your MIG welding? No worries. Today I'm going to help you troubleshoot those pesky issues like a pro. First up, let's talk about wire feed issues. If your wire is feeding inconsistently, it could be due to a worn-out drive roller or incorrect tension. Check your rollers for wear and tear and adjust the tension accordingly. Too loose and the wire won't feed properly. Too tight and the wire might bend or break. Simple fixes, but they make a world of difference. Next, let's deal with porosity. Those ugly holes in your weld bead? Yeah, that's porosity. It's usually caused by contamination or a lack of shielding gas. Make sure your workpiece is clean and free from oil, rust, or paint before you start welding. And always check your gas flow rate. It should be between 20 to 25 cubic feet per hour. Adjust as needed to keep those welds smooth and solid. Now let's move on to spatter. Excessive spatter can be a real pain. It's often due to incorrect voltage or amperage settings or using a low-quality wire. Double-check your machine settings and make sure they match the specifications for the wire and material you're using. Also, investing in a higher quality wire can save you a lot of headaches in the long run. Another common issue is poor penetration. If your welds aren't fusing properly, you might need to increase your heat settings or slow down your travel speed. Remember, a good weld should have a nice uniform bead and should penetrate the base metal adequately. Practice on scrap pieces until you get the hang of it. Now let's talk about bird nesting. This happens when the wire bunches up at the drive roll, causing a nasty jam. It's usually due to improper wire tension or a clogged liner. Check your wire tension and clean or replace the liner if necessary. Keeping your equipment well maintained is key to avoiding this frustrating issue. Finally, let's tackle undercut. This is when the weld metal fails to fill the groove of the joint, leaving a weak spot. It's often caused by too high of a voltage or incorrect torch angle. Adjust your settings and make sure to hold the torch at the proper angle, usually around 15 degrees. And there you have it. Troubleshooting MIG welding problems doesn't have to be daunting. With a bit of patience and practice, you'll be laying down beautiful beads in no time. Remember, always wear your protective gear and work in a well-ventilated area. Safety first, folks. Thank you for watching, and happy welding. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more DIY tips and tricks. Catch you next time.